guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how you can mount your phone onto your Gorillapod, and more specifically how to mount this with an external microphone, because if you vlog, let's be honest, you need an external microphone. Now, I try to shoot pretty much everything on my DSLR, but sometimes I go and record a vlog about shooting, for instance, a lunar alignment or a solar alignment. And in those videos, my DSLR needs to be on camera, so in these cases, I need to use my phone to film myself, so I need an external microphone. If you want to know how to mount your phone on the Gorillapod with an external microphone in the most cheap and convenient way, don't stop watching the video. Okay, so at this point, I'm assuming that you already have a Gorillapod, an external microphone like the Røde VideoMicro, and of course, a smartphone. So, what you want to do first, you want to take the Gorillapod and you want to actually remove the ball head, because the ball head, if you didn't know, is removable. So you can just unscrew it, and then if you look here on the Gorillapod, there's the same 1/4" screw as on the ball head. So what you can actually do right now is take a phone bracket like this one. Make sure that the phone bracket you have has both screws on this side and on this side. I will link down below on the one that I got from Amazon, so you can pick it up for yourself. It's like $5 to $7, so it's very cheap. And what you can actually do is just screw it directly on the Gorillapod, like so. Now you can take a male-to-male 1/4" screw that basically looks like this one. It's just a 1/4" screw from both sides. You can pick one up on Amazon for like 1 cent. I saw it for 1 cent on Amazon, so just pick one up. You're gonna screw it over here to the back side of the bracket. Just screw it in like this, and then take the ball head that you just taken off and just screw it on here. Make it nice and tight. Now you take the mount for your Røde VideoMicro, which actually on the bottom has also a hole for a 1/4" screw. And you take this record lyre and just screw it on here on the ball head. Make it nice and tight. Then you can undo this thumb screw here on the ball head and position it accordingly. So position it like this. Now you can just tighten the thumb screw. And at this point, you can take your Røde VideoMicro and mount it here like this. Alright, now you can take your phone and mount it like this. At this stage, all that is left to do is just take the cable. Make sure you pick the one that is gray on one side and black on the other side, which is TRRS to TRRS. Plug in the black end to the microphone, and then plug in the other end to a lightning adapter, if you have an iPhone, of course. Then at this point, you can just plug it in here, and basically there you have it. Now the final tip, as you can see, if I move this abruptly, the mic can get kind of wobbly on this record lyre mount. So what you can actually do is take the cable and snug it right into one of those notches on this element here. Right here. It's not wobbly anymore. There you have it. And the best thing about it is that you can actually take it off the Gorillapod, and it's a standard unit that you can put on a bigger tripod or basically anywhere. Now, if you missed anything while I was assembling it, let me just present you the full rig right now. Alright, so that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button down below. It really makes a difference. Also, consider subscribing to the channel, because there will be more videos like this, and I also make travel videos, vlogs, photography tutorials, filmmaking tutorials, drone flying tutorials. So if you're interested in any of that, you know what to do. But that's it for today. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.